Hi everyone, this is Rich from the Rich Maxwell channel. Welcome back again. If you're new, channel's about drones and photography, so hit subscribe if you're into those two things. So this video I thought I'd just talk about the new GoPro Hero 9, which is about to be unveiled, and we've now got the release date, or the unveiling date has been the 16th of September, so just 2 days time. But it's a product that there's already loads of leaks about online, so I thought I'd just summarize them in this video and just talk about why I'm keen to get this little device, and how I think it's going to be pretty useful and could replace my DJI Osmo Pocket, which has been my handy little camera for getting sort of B-roll and little bits of footage when I'm out and about on holidays and things, and getting really nice smooth footage with its gimbal, of course, built in. But yeah, the GoPro Hero 9, it looks like it's set to be released on the 16th, or unveiled or announced or something like that on the 16th. And really exciting because they're up in the sensor size on this from 12 megapixels to 20 megapixels, and that's going to bring the benefit of 5K video at 30 frames per second and 4K video at 60 frames per second. They're also going to have 240 frames per second, probably in 1080 or 720p, so that's really cool if you want to get some great slow-mo footage. But big advancement, they're saying it's going to have hypersmooth 3.0 technology. Now, between hypersmooth 1 and hypersmooth 2, there was a huge difference in the stability, so that was going from the GoPro Hero 7 to the GoPro Hero 8. The stability in the 8 was really good and almost gimbal-like, and you can see loads of videos on YouTube where people are going on like water slides and all sorts of things where you'd have trouble keeping your footage stable, and it looks really good, really smooth and impressive. So no doubt this hypersmooth 3 technology is going to be really good on the GoPro Hero 9. And another feature that will come very welcome to a lot of people, especially if you're into vlogging or taking selfies, is the front-facing camera. So this is all new for GoPros. They usually don't have any sort of camera on the front. I think the GoPro Hero 8 had a small black and white display, but yeah, this one's got an actual display so you can see yourself when you're shooting. So that's going to be really helpful if you want to vlog with this little camera, and it could be a really neat and really compact little vlogging solution if that's something that you're into. So really excited to see that, and yeah, the stability that you're going to be able to get from this looks really cool. It's going up to a 20 megapixel sensor, so you're going to get bigger, better photographs, and it's still doing HDR images and HDR video, so that's really cool. The battery size has apparently been increased to accommodate for this bigger sensor and all the new features, so that's going to be really good, as battery life on previous GoPros hasn't been fantastic, so it's great that they were addressing that with a new battery design, and hopefully more of the milliamp hours that you need to keep your devices going longer. So this is going to be a really cool product, I think, and really looking forward to seeing the actual final product when it's announced on Wednesday on the 16th of September. So eagerly awaiting more news of it, and I've been looking carefully at all the leaks so far and just thought I'd put this video together just to share with you what's coming with it. So the big thing for me is going to be whether it can replace my DJI Osmo Pocket, which has been really great for getting B-roll and getting nice smooth footage with its gimbal head. So I can't wait to see how good this hypersmooth 3.0 technology is. I am probably going to order this camera, as I haven't really got a good action cam. I've got a basic like budget brand one, but I haven't got a proper GoPro yet, so this one looks like it'd be something really cool to pick up, and then I can potentially sell my Osmo Pocket and make the switch over to GoPro. So yeah, so come on GoPro, get this announcement happening, and yeah, give us the news that we all want on Wednesday. Hopefully it's going to be a good product and worth the wait, but we'll see. If I pick up the GoPro Hero 9, I'll definitely follow up with a review video to show you all what it's all about and how good it is, how good the stability is compared to the DJI Osmo Pocket and a normal gimbal on a DSLR. So please subscribe, hit like if you've enjoyed this video and found it useful, and join me again soon for more videos. Bye for now, everyone.